What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you one of the most effective ways how you can unleash your entire potential and gather like a motivation that is non-parallel. So when the Greeks invaded Troy back in the days, they used a very interesting military tactic. When they arrived on the bay, the commander set the order out to burn down every single boat, so they didn't have the chance to flee. So for them, for the soldiers, it was either fight or win or die. There was no running away, there was no giving up, there was no other alternative than to fully go into it, play to win, not play to not lose, and just go all out and achieve their goals. And I'm going to show you how I use this strategy, how you can use this strategy as well to bring your life to a completely new level and unleash a potential that you never even knew that existed before. So a little backstory about myself. When I started out, when I was finished with school, I had two decisions. Either I go to university and just go the usual way of doing whatever, getting a safe job, getting paid nicely or whatever, like on a stable base, or just go all out, follow my dreams and become an entrepreneur, start a business and just hustle. And for me at that point, I was absolutely sure, but everybody was trying to me like, go that way, go that way, go that way. You should like study, go to university. But that wasn't me. I didn't want to do that. So what I decided to do was to go all out and burn the boats, so there's no going back for me. Laziness and unmotivation will not stop me to achieve my dreams. And this is also what I did then. I burned the boats. What I did was I got rid of my girlfriend, which I dearly loved. I got rid of all negative, like all my friends basically. I moved to Hanover, completely new city in Germany. Nobody knew, I know nobody here, I was alone. I like completely bragged about how successful I'm going to be with my friends or family, and like posted on Facebook that I'm going to be successful entrepreneur. Basically just creating a scenario, either I win and become successful, or I look like the biggest idiot, biggest loser in this entire universe. So I burnt those boats on a superficial but also on a very deep spiritual level. Like for me there was no other way of becoming happy. So that was like that was the point where it was like, this is it. There's no other way. So what I did then was like, I did that and I had to become successful. And this caused a lot of chaos, drama, stress, very high highs, but also very low lows. And basically it peaked at 2018, last year, when I basically either was super down, like depressed and had like anxiety attacks. There was like a place, this place here is a metaphor, like this represents my decision, and like that's why we film it here. And people are staring at me and they're thinking like, what the hell is this guy doing? Like this is a metaphor. I was like sitting like 50 meters away from here, like crying on a bench, like having like panic attacks and stuff like that because I was so stressed out and crazy. That was the lows, but I also had like crazy highs where I got like clients that paid me more than 4,000 euros a month, like which is like $5,000 I think. And yeah, so it was absolutely crazy, adventure, roller coaster of emotions, and I didn't know what was the right path, to be honest, in those moments. But when I was in London on a seminar and just enjoyed the city at the London Eye, walking over a bridge, I just realized it, like it just clicked, and I just started bawling tears. Like I was so happy and grateful that I took this choice, that I went through the pain, that I pushed through, and now I'm here. Now I'm doing this thing that I love. Like I run a business. This is awesome. Like I can share my stories on YouTube. So happy and fulfilled with my life. And this is all because I pushed through, I burned the boats, and there was no alternative for me to go back. There were actually so many points in my career where I just wanted to give up because it was too hard, or because I didn't know what the answer, or there was just too much, but I couldn't. And that's what kept me going, and that's the reason why I'm standing here, and that's the reason why I got successful. And that's why I'm also recommending to you to burn the boats. But be careful, this is not for everybody, and as effective this is, as dangerous it is too, because you can like really like mess up a lot in your life. And basically this results in that the most people like burn the boats. They like get rid of all their negative friends, but they don't do anything to get new friends. They move to a city, but they just like don't do anything there. Or they like start a business, but they don't work, so they just become unemployed and have a business that is deep to fail. So the recipe is to put yourself under pressure, but then also execute and work. And yeah, that's basically the message that I want to leave you with you guys. This was probably one of the biggest reasons why I'm committed to this way and why I'm so focused on, so motivated, and also so effective in my work. And yeah, I can definitely recommend to you guys. So what my question for you guys would be, what are boats that you can build for yourself, even on a little level? Like in which area right now is it time to level up? Where you think of yourself, is this really what I deserve? Is this really what it's capable of? Where do you want to cut through the crap and like just go straight to it? If you find this, burn those boats and just go for it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you think about this. Give me feedback, guys. We're just a small community where I have like 100 followers or something. I'm really proud of every one of you. I love it. But I'm really keen on like experiencing what you think of this and give me your feedback. So comment it down below. That was the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace out.